So we're not sure if it's fixed, but we do have twin screws. And we left about 3 o'clock this morning. Good morning, everyone. A little overcast, but it's morning. For some reason, it always seems to be out here. Okay, we got some good news and we got some bad news.
The good news is that you didn't get to go on the casino last night and you didn't lose any money.
That was the bad news.
Well, that's the good news.
Oh yeah, losing money would be bad news, but anyway, good morning. It's Monday morning. It's a beautiful sea day, but even though the seas look very flat, the ship's kind of rocking.
The breeze
Not
feels
sure
good.
he's got the stabilizers out or not, but anyway. So they got the ship fixed. We got 2 screws turning, otherwise known as props, and we're underway. And we are going to Half Moon Cay. And we'll be there tomorrow sometime. Right?
Right.
Right,
It's
so-
beautiful out here. I'm enjoying my morning.
Right. So she's going to go lay by the pool, and guess where I'm going? It's open
Gotta go to the
24/7.
casino.
24/7.
It's killing it.
Yep,
Okay.
got to go.
All right.
So,
well,
all right. So we'll see you
have a
around,
good
and we're
day.
probably going to go to the Diamond. I think it's a brunch, so we're going to go to that probably again.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
We'll see you.
See you. Bye.
Say bye.
I said bye, love.
I like it to hear it twice. Bye. You got to go. All right. So what they're doing behind me is you actually download the app from your phone, and they play a game, trivia game, up on the big screen, and you play on your phone.
Get ready.
Pretty cool. You have to try it.
1. Frontage. Okay, is AG and the Queen of the South, the Queen's Gambit, or the Crown? Guys, this is very easy. The Queen's Gambit, of course, is a very good one. I love it.
Pretty cool.
Oh.
All right, it is confirmed. Both propellers are propellering, if that's a word. We are cruising at about 17 knots right now, up to 24 later, they said. Everything's good. Doesn't get much better than this. A little rough this morning, calmed right down. Could you watch that all day long? I can, from my balcony. Where are we going, Ben?
We're going to the diamond party for lunch. It's really a diamond lunch.
It's free lunch.
Free lunch
Oh,
for diamond members. So we're standing in line now. So it should be good.
what's the best part?
Free food and free drinks.
Free drinks. Don't count towards your drink package. Not that we've ever drank it all.
We'll be fine.
All right.
We'll be fine.
Here at the Diamond Party, they brought back the cranberry rolls. They're so yummy.
Next up, your housekeeping manager, Snezana. Next up, your guest services manager, Christina. Your entertainment director, Alex.
The southeast coast of Italy, not Stallion, or Italy. So 18 years already in this Carnival family. Before that,
First appetizer, beer, cheese, potatoes, broccoli soup. Rose got the same thing. Max got nothing. And he really didn't get anything. And Terry got the same thing. Yum, yum. All right, then I ordered these crab rolls, but I didn't realize they were deep fried because they don't say deep fried. Terry will eat them. Terry got the jambalaya, seafood jambalaya. I got the seafood jambalaya. They got nothing. Nothing yet. Max got the filet. Rose got the filet. We got fruit plate. They got nothing. And I forgot what it's called.
It looks good.
It looks good, but I'll let you know. That's pretty cool. Not that I'm really into Dr. Seuss, but I am into green eggs and ham. Baby.
We're going to dinner and it's formal night. We got all
Yeah, this
dressed
is
up.
again, you know me. This is as formal as I get.
We got really dressed up.
We got really dressed
Yeah,
up.
but we're not even hungry, but we got to go to dinner.
We're going all the way down the hallway.
We're going all the way down
Long
to dinner.
way.
But it's going to be a nice dinner. I'm looking forward to it.
We hope so.
Yes.
But they don't have lobster or prime rib tonight.
I don't know why.
That'll be on Thursday night.
Thursday.
Tonight is
We will
Monday
be here
night.
Thursday.
We will. I hope we are. If we're not here, we got problems. Wow. All right.
Okay.
We'll see you at dinner.
All right. Good night.
I'll bring you that menu.
Oh, son, good night.
Right about now.
No, bye-bye.
Beautiful view looking out our window until you kind of look up. Nice place for a lifeboat. Well, at least we're moving tonight. Terry got wedge salad. I got 2 clam chowders, escargot, my pig. Max got 2 whole hot dogs.
Atkins diet.
What is wrong with you?
Atkins diet.
And poor Rose never gets anything.
Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good.
Terry got
And she said, that's the daughter. Pushing her
chicken.
Because everybody thinks boys are
roasted
babies.
chicken.
David Letterman had a son. Oh, you're so lucky to have a daughter. I have a son. I have to watch what he
She just got
does and all
sick.
that. And he says,
Rose ain't hungry.
having a daughter's harder.
Terry got cheesecake. I got the banana split. Rose got the warm melting cake that she's going to try again. And Max got
The Atkins diet.
nothing. Where are we going, babe? Oh, you look blue. You look sick. You okay?
Okay, we are going to the Studio 5470 party. We finally got in the Studio 54.
We got off the ship, flew to New York.
That's 54.
Is that even still open?
No, it's a 70 thing.
All right. We'll
Way
bring it
before
to you.
my time.
Oh, yeah.
Productions of Studio VIP as we take you back to the 70s and the New York City nightlife and Studio 54. Now, this is a fun-filled show that we're going to take.
Selfie. Oj.
Look, Terry didn't get no cookies in there right there. Terry didn't get no cookies. Well, good evening. We won money in the casino. She won. I won.
$22.
I won more than that.
He won 70.
Profit.
But I
What's up with that?
so good. There's
Oh, you give me any. It's all right. I'll buy 3 more.
Good. So good. Ooh.
All right. Anyway, so we had kind of a lazy day today. As you saw, they got the engine fixed, so now we're under full power. We don't know how long it'll last. So anyway,
having a good
on our
time.
way to Half Moon Cay tomorrow. We'll be there, and we're going to be out in the water all day long, so there probably won't be a whole lot of video.
Yeah. And then we have a good day.
But I'll bring it to you. It's a
We have to
beautiful
get up
place.
like at 7 o'clock.
Right.
And we
Yeah.
have to tender in.
Yeah, and we get to get off first.
You do have to tender.
Yeah. I'll show it to you. But anyway, so,
The diamonds get first on the boat.
so anyway, so it's late, and we
Or
are
off the
going
boat.
to.
It's either off the boat or on the boat. We usually can be the first on the boat.
You done, you think? All right, so anyway, we'll see you in the morning. Yeah. Tomorrow morning.
Okay. All right. I'll see you then.
It's real. It's late, and we are out.
This is so good.
Cheers. Maybe I'll get some. The chocolate martini weirdos.